Let's talk about the custom AI trade feature in Starbot. First, get your Starbot up and get to whatever token you want to trade. Once you are in the trade terminal, press this Trade Custom button to start the custom trade feature. It's really cool. You can input B for buy, or type out buy, or even just type out the plus sign, then just put in a dollar amount, an amount of ETH, or a number of tokens. I like to just use the letter T for tokens. Here are some examples. So as you can see, I'm not pressing confirm yet. I'm just going through some examples that you could use. Once you press confirm, like I'm doing with this sell of 1,000 tokens of AIX, you can see that the trade takes place that easy. For now, you have to hit approve one time before you sell. In the future, that will be automatic. But this is where it gets really crazy with our AI and what's coming. Once we have profit loss and our trade monitor, you can just let Starbot trade while you sleep. So check out how cool this is. It's going to blow your mind. I can start out by buying, let's say, $250 worth, and I can set a limit. Let's say I want to buy it for a little bit cheaper than it is right now. Then I can put a stop loss in here just in case it starts going down and moves against me. Starbot has got me covered. Now I can set up an auto sell for any amount at a 75% gain. Again, thanks to AI, Starbot is the future of trading. This isn't available yet, but soon. Okay guys, there you have it. Join the Starbot trading revolution today. By owning the Star token, holders get a portion of the 75% revenue share, which is so generous. Starbot has a flat 1% fee, and it's the best trading bot out there by far. Just so easy to use, and I love it. Starbot. Become an all-star trader today.